Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Flow app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down. So you keep going down here. When Flow Shuffle, you click on it, then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage list, you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, you just go to your Play Store. So you click on your Play Store here, then you search for Flow app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, you just click on it, then it's going to uh, work it with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.